How do you go from this to this without any professional photo shoot? With ChatGPT's new image generator, you can create really cool product photos without any photographer, without any studio, without any design skills. No need for any expensive equipment or photographers waiting for editions anymore. All you need are some basic prompts. It's super simple and I'll show you exactly how to do it for your brand. Let's jump into it. So what I will be showing you today is how to go from this very basic product photo that we have to something like this, which is a lifestyle photo portraying something. It gives you desire. It feels like if I'm a coffee drinker, I really want to drink this and I want to add my powder to it. So we want to create something like this with ChatGPT. So what you'll need to be able to do this is a product photo of your product, preferably high quality and well lit, such as my example here. And then you want an inspiration photo of what you want to create. So when I found the inspiration photo, I just went on Google. I put my product, so collagen peptides with chocolate flavor. I put that into Google and I got an inspiration photo that I thought, oh wow, okay, this is what I want to create. Then I just saved that photo and I put it into ChatGPT. So a product photo, an inspiration photo, and then you want to use the prompt. The prompt is this one right here, and you can get this prompt by clicking the link below and you get straight to, you get this document where you can just copy paste this prompt. So what you want to do is take this prompt and just fill it in with your information. And then you want to head to ChatGPT. And what you want to do is you want to upload your product together with the inspiration photo. So this is the inspiration photo that I found from Google. I downloaded it and I uploaded it here in ChatGPT. Then I took the prompt that you saw here in the document before, and then I just filled it in with my information. So basically here I will read to you what I did. I want you to take the attached photo on the right and create an image like the one on the left. Composite the lid of collagen jar, powder leveled with a colored scoop onto a warm beige, lightly textured tabletop. So what I'm doing here is that I am just describing basically this photo. So they already have this photo, but we also want to explain a little bit what it is that we want to create. Place a clear glass mug of coffee to the right with a hand pouring milk from a small white pitcher. Light it with a soft diffused morning sun plus some subtle leaf shadow accents. So here you want to explain a little bit what is the aesthetics that you want, what's the light that you want to, maybe you want it dark, maybe you want it bright, maybe you want it morning sun, maybe you want it like super clear, studio shot, whatever you want, just describe kind of the vibe that you want to go for. Shoot from a 30 to 45 degree overhead angle so both label and lattice work are sharp and clear. So basically it's the description of this photo, right? From these two photos and the prompt that we gave ChatGPT, this is what it generated. Pretty freaking amazing if you ask me. It's exactly what we were asking for, almost identical to our inspiration photo, just with our product instead. I think that this is a photo that you can use, for emails, you can use it for social media, you can use it for Facebook ads. And what happens here is that you get a desire. You want to add this powder to your morning coffee. If you're a coffee drinker, you really want to drink this coffee. It looks great. It looks fantastic. It gives you desire to get this product, right? So what you need for this is ChatGPT 4.0, which is their most basic plan. So I think it's about $20 a month, but it's definitely worth it. You don't have to spend any cost on photographers. You don't have to spend on the studio. You don't have to spend on expensive lights. You just have to go on your computer, pay $20 and you'll be able to generate photos like this in an instant. This is a game changer for any e-com brand. So if you haven't tested it out, make sure to test it out, jump onto this new feature because I promise you it's really, really worth it. If you want to use the prompt that I used in this video, you'll find it in the description below. Just copy that and start creating your own really cool lifestyle photos. Let me know in the comments what you think about this new feature and the images that you're able to generate. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to watch my other video about how to create winning ads with ChatGPT. Step-by-step guide, super simple, and you'll be able to generate really, really cool Facebook ads.